The world is still struggling with 6th-generation jets, but the future is already here. Hidden deep within classified military hangars, a new Ghost is preparing for its first flight. This machine is so fast and silent that it makes the F-35 look completely outdated. Welcome to the era of 7th-generation warfare, where the human pilot is no longer needed. Most people believe this technology is science fiction, but the reality is much more terrifying. A weapon designed in total secrecy to dominate the skies and control the entire world. What happens when a fighter jet can think and react faster than any human brain? The sky is about to become a battlefield for machines that never feel any fear. This is the forbidden story of the most advanced aircraft ever built by human hands. Beyond the clouds, a silent war is being fought with technology we cannot even imagine. Morphing wing structures allow this jet to change its entire shape while flying at Mach 10. Plasma stealth technology creates an invisible shield that absorbs every single radar wave on Earth. High-energy laser weapons can now destroy incoming missiles at the absolute speed of light. These engines do not require oxygen, making them capable of flying in the near space zone. Advanced biosynthetic materials allow the aircraft to heal its own battle wounds in real time. Holographic cockpits provide a full 360-degree view of the battlefield with zero physical buttons. Smart skin sensors cover the entire fuselage, making the aircraft aware of every nearby threat. Liquid metal cooling systems prevent the jet from melting at extreme hypersonic speeds during flight. Electromagnetic pulse weapons can disable an entire enemy fleet without firing a single kinetic bullet. This aircraft can reach the other side of the planet in less than 2 hours. The AI commander can simulate 1 million different combat scenarios in less than 1 second. Human pilots are limited by G-force, but these machines can turn at impossible sharp angles. A swarm of tiny drones acts as a protective shield for the main 7th-generation mothership. Neural link technology allows the machine to become a digital extension of the ground commander. This jet identifies targets and makes the decision to strike without any human intervention at all. Constant data streaming ensures that every jet in the fleet knows exactly what others see. The era of dogfighting is over because the AI hits targets from miles away instantly. No fatigue and no emotions mean these machines are the perfect cold-blooded killers of tomorrow. Autonomous stealth drones are now being tested to penetrate the most heavily guarded enemy airspace. The digital brain inside this jet is more powerful than 1,000 modern gaming computers, spending billions of dollars to ensure American dominance in the high skies. China is secretly testing a suborbital interceptor that can strike targets from the edge of space. Russia has hidden its most advanced aerospace projects in the frozen darkness of the Arctic. A new technological Cold War has begun, and the winner will control the entire planet. NATO is desperately trying to keep up with the rapid pace of Eastern military breakthroughs. Satellite images have revealed a strange triangular craft flying over the remote Nevada desert recently. Secret alliances are being formed to share the massive cost of developing 7th-generation tech. This race is not about more planes, but about who has the smartest military AI. The world's superpowers are preparing for a conflict that will be fought in total silence. Every major nation is terrified of being left behind in this high-tech aerospace revolution. Will humanity be able to control these machines, or will they eventually control us too? The future of warfare is no longer a dream, but a rapidly approaching digital nightmare. Stay tuned to Dark History Files as we continue to expose the world's most classified projects. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to join our elite military community. The invisible war has already started, and the horizon will never look the same again. Do you believe AI should have the power to decide who lives and who dies? Leave your thoughts in the comments below about the terrifying future of 7th-generation jets. This is just the beginning of our deep dive into the secrets of modern warfare. The next generation is already watching us from the shadows of the high-altitude skies. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next classified video report.